I'm Mrs. Brindisi. I'm the health teacher at the high school. I teach a 10-week 8th grade class and a 20-week high school class. If you have any questions, you can contact me via my email or check my Schoology page.
Hi, I'm Mr. Prasarzik, one of the PE teachers here at the high school. We'll be going outside more than normal this year, so please dress accordingly. If you have any questions, please email me and check the Schoology page. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ms. Fisher and I'm one of the PE teachers here at the high school. For our all virtual students, please make sure you're logging into Zoom at the beginning of the period and going to the Google site to check your assignments. If you have any questions, please email me and make sure you're checking the Schoology page. Thank you.